A very good morning from India. My name is Prithvi Roy. I'm a PhD research scholar from lovely Professional University, Punjab, India, and I'm very happy to be part of PLM2, an international joint e-conference. And now please allow me to share my screen so that I can share my presentation to you all. Okay, I hope my screen is well visible to you. So today I'll be talking about the study that we have initiated here, that is customer consciousness on willingness to pay for green practices in this hospitality industry approach. So this is a kind of a hot topic nowadays, that what if the guest and the customers will be having the sense to pay more for the green practices, because nowadays, because of COVID-19 also, there are a lot of there are a lot of customers and people, those who are very much into environmental issues. They are very much aware all the environmental issues, and they do not want to sacrifice on their health, right? So before I start the presentation, just I want to give you a kind of an introduction to the topic. So the aim is to study the behavior of the guests who are willing to pay extra for the stay. People with high concerns about environmental issues tend to pay more from the same. So this is what I've already told you all. Working on green practices helps to elevate the image of the hotel company or the brand chain. So now this is kind of a brand advertisement as well, because you can see if the hotels are publishing that they are green practicing, or they are the green hotel, 80 to 85% people tend to opt that particular hotel for their stay. And we have also observed that gender also plays a very vital role to understand the individual about the green practices. And there is a quote from Robert Swan: the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. Now, the introduction of the topic. In the hospitality industry, there is a growing concern about the number of travelers who are deliberately opting for hotel facilities that are more concerned with the growing environmental and uses in environmental sustainable techniques. For example, if I talk about India, nowadays we are into monsoon, and all the hill areas and all the areas which are on top are having fully packed hotels, because people don't want to go to area where the pollution is, right? People don't want to go to area where there are no green practices practiced by the hotels. And of course, in the past studies also, it was concluded that customers who are concerned about the environment are more likely to visit, spend more than regular, show loyalty, and enjoy choosing eco-friendly hotels. What is the objective of the study? The objective was focused on the findings of the perspective of hotel guests and hotel style choices on the willingness or ability to spend more money on hotels that are environmental friendly and who are concerned about environmental issues. So I've already discussed about this, that now I can tell you about what all environmental issues that we in India of finding it, or anywhere in the world as well. Number one is air pollution and water quality. These are the top findings, and these are the top uh, problems that we are facing in terms of environmental issues. The studies also consisted in finding from the previous literature that customers praised and applause built upon their hotels in terms of eco-friendly practices helps to elevate the image of the hotel, which in turn help increase in competitiveness, and of course that will turn into their revenue generation as well. Now, what was the methodology of this particular study? So what we have done is we have taken 13 high quality journals from the database like Scopus and Web of Science. This study found that hotel customers with higher degrees of environmental concerns declare a higher willingness to pay premiums for hotels green practices. So this depends on person to person, that depends on gender to gender as well. If they are possessing a concern about their environmental issues, about the surroundings, of course they will pay definitely higher price for the particular room or for that particular hotel services. So these are the literature review about the 13 high quality journals. You can all see. Now we'll be talking about the results and discussion. So in a sustainable hotel, behavior values carry to have a positive and long lasting effect on how you feel about yourself. The conditioned behavioral standards of living in the sustainable property is mainly influenced by the beliefs of an individual in a significant manner. Control in consumer beliefs would have an influential and constructive effect. It would rather influence their thinking and behavioral process and will help to keep a tight grip on their stay in the hotel. Like I said, for example, Generation Z or millennials, you can say, they are more nowadays. They are more into sustainable properties. They will opt sustainable properties. They will opt where the hotel is close to the nature, where the hotel is close to without the hustle and bustle of the city. There they want to go. And if that particular five-star hotel is practicing sustainability, of course, I will or they will be happy to pay more, right? Consumers' perceptual and behavioral criteria may affect their decision to stay in eco-friendly, sustainable hotels in a positive manner. Again, I will quote uh, a very famous quotation by Napoleon. The only limitation is that which one set up in one's own mind. But still, in the research, we all know there always a limitation for the study, and here the limitation is online analysis methodology. That is shown as the key limitation in the study. To improve the validity of sampling and generalization in future, researchers are advised to look for at hotel guest diverse periods using data from a wider examining spectrum and collected in a real world environment. So maybe kind of a quantitative data can be collected. The analysis method used here focuses on hotels as well as guests and investigates the connection between guest perception towards sustainable practices and their willingness to pay extra prices. As a result, prospective study could be deemed to obtain an appropriate example to discuss about the hotel guest more specifically. Now, what are the implications for managers? That is very important. So, this finding withdraw from the study includes recommendation to hotel leaders and managers in terms of determining how and which specific administrative changes should be implemented in time to time. That it can be, the hotel can be upgrade to a customer's experience and demonstrate willingness to service towards the ecosystem. So that they should be taken care of, and maybe advertisement and small things that can change the perspective of the guest. Last but not the least, conclusion. So the main focus was kept upon the willingness of guests if they are willing to pay extra for the environmental friendly hotel. Like I said, the study has also revealed that Generation Z people are usually unaware of the environmental related issues, but when introduced to the concerns, they do show resistance to pay extra. So like I said, if proper training to be given to the to the hotel staff, they can always push Generation Z to opt for higher price room if the hotel is sustainable. The study also brings light on the fact that the upcoming generations have shown much greater interest in paying extra for eco-friendly services, right? Also to mention that these features makes a hotel stand out from the others and helps create distinctive image capable of attracting more customer. So now if that's called out of the box, so in hotel also we say some wow factors. So now there are some couple of hotels that I will be showing in the next slide that they are inculcating all the green practices. However, it is equally important to keep in mind that these practices does not have to do with customer perception on these practices and their willingness to pay for, but also follows a sustainable path for the upcoming generation to follow on. Of course, if from now only if the hotels are inculcating all sustainable practices for the future, it will be very helpful. So I'll show you a very small 40 seconds video in which what all hotels are doing and how they are progressing on sustainability. You will all get to know. Allow me to just play the video. So you can all see that how Hyatt is doing, and they are recycling and they are making uniforms also from the recycled bottles. So that's a very kind of encouraging thing that we have seen here. So these are some references for the study that I have taken. And any questions if you guys have, please do ask. Thank you so much for your attention. And for the other participants, best of luck. And yes, of course, have a nice day. Thank you so much.